Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, I'm going to be decorating up another sweet little Easter treat for you guys. I'm going to attempt to make a buttercream basket weave cake for the first time. Now, I've been wanting to make this cake style for quite some time because I really want to improve on my buttercream piping techniques. So I'm also going to try my hand at hand piping some cute little flowers for the top of our basket and finish it off with a little fondant Easter bunny. So hopefully it turns out alright. Now let's get into it. So I baked up a couple of 8-inch round vanilla cakes and I've just colored them with a little bit of pink and purple food coloring so they match the outside colors of the cake. So we're just going to start by leveling out our layers here, and then we're going to fill and stack them and get them ready for our crumb coat. So as you can see, I've trimmed up all my edges and cleaned up all the caramelization, so we're ready for our crumb coat now. And as soon as we're finished, I'm going to pop this into the fridge to chill for a little bit, and while we're waiting, we're going to work on our handle for our basket. So for my handle, I'm going to use some purple fondant, and we're going to roll this out in a big long snake shape. Then I'm going to fold it in half and twist it around itself. Then we're going to snip off the ends and put some toothpicks in either end. Then I'm going to shape it, lay it on my board, and we're going to take it to the food dehydrator to dry for a little bit. So while we're waiting on that to dry, we can go ahead and make our Easter bunny. So I'm just going to make him a traditional white Easter bunny with a cute little pink nose. So he's all finished, but I haven't assembled him yet because I want to let him firm up and dry a little bit before I do that. So that way the weight of his head doesn't squish his body. So I'm going to set this to dry, and we're going to grab our cake and start our basket weave. Okay guys, so to make our cake look like a basket, I'm going to be using number 48 piping tip. And it's got a flat edge on one side and a jagged tooth edge on the other side. And we're going to show the jagged tooth edge on the outside of our cake, so it gives us our lines to make it look like straw. There's my basket pattern, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I could use a little bit of work on getting my lines a little bit straighter, and my icing started to get a little bit too warm on me about halfway through, so I had to add a little bit more to my bag. But besides that, not bad for a first try, I don't think. So I'm going to get this off to the fridge to chill again for a little bit, and when we come back, we are going to make some flowers. Okay, so I made some sunflowers and some roses, and I also made a couple of other different kinds just for practice, but I'm going to actually pipe those directly onto the cake. But these ones I'm going to put into the freezer for a little bit to set them because I want to be able to handle them to put them on my cake. So I'm going to get these off to chill, and I'm going to go grab my cake and we can actually start finally putting everything together. Okay, so to finish off the look of our basket, I'm going to do a border around the top and around the base of the cake, and I'm going to use a number 30 piping tip, and I'm just going to go in a circular motion all the way around on the top and the bottom. Okay, so I have my cake and my decorations. They're all firmed up and ready to use. I also have a few icing colors here, and I'm going to use these to complete a few finishing touches. So I'm going to throw this all together and I'll show you how it looks when I'm all done. Well guys, here it is. Isn't it adorable? I think it turned out so cute. I'm really happy with it. And it was actually really easy to make. So if you guys are interested in making something similar, or you're just interested in the tools that I used, you can find links in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great long weekend, and I hope the Easter Bunny finds you all.